Hey guys, it's Melanie. Whoa, that light though. In selfie mode again because all of my videos in this series, apparently I'm gonna have an intro of me doing selfie mode because I just cannot charge my camera battery. I don't know. Anyway, this is about summer reading. I'm doing a bunch of videos about summer reading programs that are free for your kids to participate in and that you get some awesome free stuff, at the end. So this one is gonna be about Chuck E. Cheese. Like, cool, right? Chuck E. Cheese. All right, you guys, so Chuck E. Cheese has a reading program. Here's a fun fact. Apparently, let me switch arms because this guy's tired. Apparently, it's not just for summer. They always have a reading program. You can actually go on the Chuck E. Cheese website. I will try to link it below. P.S. I will also link the playlist for all of our other videos for the summer reading program, like Barnes & Noble, Half Price Books, all that stuff below as well. Anyway, you go on the website and you print out a chart. It could be a chore chart. It could be a homework chart. It could be a reading chart. And they have to check that they did all of those things. And then you get 10 free tokens. Like, isn't that cool? You get 10 free tokens. And so we did it. They read a book every day for 2 weeks. And they got 10 free tokens. They each got 10 free tokens at Chuck E. Cheese. I thought that was such a cool, simple thing, just to go, I mean, we ended up spending $5 on top of that. We usually spend a lot more, but we had a lot of things to do that day. So anyway, here's the footage of us at Chuck E. Cheese having fun with something that they actually earned. So it was pretty awesome. Oh, yeah. Hi, Sissy! Yay, baby! Keep going, baby! You got 30 seconds! This has always been one of my favorite things to do. Look at these faces! Oh my goodness, how tall you're on a giraffe! All right, you guys, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in the other summer reading programs that we did, Half Price Books, Barnes & Noble, the library, things like that, I will link it below in the description bar. But that is it. Please stay subscribed for mom stuff, DIYs, couponing, travel, whatever. Anyway, all right. Bye, y'all. Love yins.